All right, good afternoon, ladies. What's your names and where are you from?
Sandra, I'm from DeBerry, Florida.
Oh, yeah.
I'm Bonnie Reddy and I'm from DeBerry, Florida. I'm Linda Staper and I'm from DeBerry, Florida.
Oh, yeah. Welcome to Skydive DeLand. So we're about to go jump out of a plane today.
Yes.
Is this all your first times?
No,
My first time.
Okay.
This is our second time.
Do you have any advice for her?
No.
Scream.
Pray. Don't scream. Pray. Scream and pray.
Well, you all chose a beautiful day to come skydiving.
Yes.
We're gonna go up to 13,000 feet, free fall at 120 miles per hour. How you feeling, Sandra? How you feeling?
I'm nervous, a little nervous, excited.
Awesome. Keep the excitement. Well, are you ready?
Yeah.
Awesome. We'll see you in the sky. Have some fun.
Thank you.
How you feeling?
Thank you. That was awesome.
Right?
It was exhilarating.
What was your favorite part?
After we did the flip and we're just kind of hanging there for a little while. I think that was the most fun part. Yeah.
So
it was just exhilarating. I'm glad you told me to let go because.
What do you think, you'll jump again?
Yeah, I think I could do it again.
Well, welcome to the sky. Thank you for choosing Skydive DeLand. Thank you, Fraser.
Yeah.
I'll see you next time.
Okay, thank you.